Okay guys, I'm going to show you some extra little tips for this one, 18.1 for elapsed time. Go Math is not one of my favorite things to teach elapsed time with, but it's our curriculum, so we have to use it. But I'm going to show you a different trick. This one, Abe and her family visited the Space Center, Houston. They watched a movie that began at 4:10, so we know our start time of 4:10. And the movie ended at 4:53. So our end time is 4:53. So we don't know how long the movie lasted. So we have a start time and our end time. Okay, you know how I like to teach you with T-charts. So I'm going to show you how we can do some elapsed time with our T-chart. You put your start time right here, 4:10, and our end time of 4:53. Then what we're going to do is, we can pick something we want to count by. You know, on here we did count by tens, different things like that. I'm gonna go 30 minutes. So I know 4:10 plus 30 minutes later makes it 4:40. I pick 30 minutes just because, you know, it's kind of like halfway around the clock. We're used to counting, like if this is a clock, it's the halfway around it from here to there. So 30 minutes to me is a pretty easy thing. So right now, that took us 30 minutes. Okay, I'm not to 4:53 yet, so I'm going to keep going. The next number I can use to get there is, we can do 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later would be 4:50. And see, this is 10 minutes later. So now I'm at 4:50. Think, what can I get to get to 4:53? And that would be, to get to 4:53, that would be 3 more minutes. And then what you can do now is you could add this up. 30 plus 10 plus 3 is 43 minutes. So from 4:10 to 4:53 is 43 minutes, and we can double check this. So it's 4:10 plus 30 minutes is 4:40, plus 10 more minutes, so plus 10, let's say if we added 10 right here, is now 4:50. Yep, that works. And then I need to get to 53, so that we added 3 more minutes. And together that makes 43 minutes.